Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Claude AI desktop on your computer. So for downloading it, open any web browser. So now here on the web browser, search here for Claude AI download. So now here you can see the first link, download Claude. So now click on it and just wait till the website is opening. So as you can see here, I am on the Windows. So this is showing download for Windows. And if you are on Mac, this will show download for Mac. So by clicking on this button, download for Windows, I can download Claude on my computer absolutely for free. So here you can see the downloading has been started. So just wait till the downloading ends, as it is of only 6 MBs. So here you can see the downloading has been completed. Now double click it and just wait till the installer is launching. So here you can see it is of 246 MBs. So it will take a few seconds according to your internet speed. So this is how you can download Claude on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.